Hey Pro Bono crew, it's Claire Desira here, and we're back by popular demand for a season 2 of our video series around mindset hacks to support you with your job search. When I'm not making these videos, I head up the Top 5 movement, and we're a training organisation that support people in generous careers just like you to have a bigger impact through stronger mindset, stronger resilience and stronger leadership. It's loads of fun, but what's also loads of fun is sharing these videos with you. So today I want to talk about procrastination, planning ahead, and the role that your brain plays in both those things. So when you're in the middle of your job search, you're likely to be doing things where you're out of your comfort zone. It might be writing a cover letter, picking up the phone and making a phone call to someone you know or don't know to learn more about opportunities or industries. Or it could be even just doing some research behind the screen. And what can happen when we're actually stretching ourselves like this and kind of venturing into the unknown is it can be a bit scary, and we can actually feel a little bit unsafe. And when we're planning to do these activities, so we're writing a to-do list around this week, I'm going to apply for 2 jobs, or I'm going to write 1 cracking cover letter, we're in this safe zone. When we're writing the list, we're in this safe zone where our prefrontal cortex of our brain, bear with me, this part of our brain is all about looking to the future, what's best for our future. It's in charge. So it's nice to write a list. It's a safe thing to write a list. Now, what happens though when it comes to actually carrying out that activity the next day or later in the week is our primal brain kicks in. And this part of our brain is all about safety and about helping us to feel safe. And so what happens is when we go to sit down to write that cover letter, our primal brain goes, oh, this might feel a bit scary, or I'm putting myself out there, this feels uncomfortable. I'm going to go and do something that makes me feel safe and warm and comfortable. How this plays out for some people, if you can think of a non-job example, is with exercise. You know, your future self, or that future part of your brain, is looking forward to exercising so you can feel better. But then maybe when your alarm goes off or it comes time for that class to start, your primal brain kicks in and thinks, oh, that's going to be a bit hard, or I might feel uncomfortable, so I'm going to give myself 1,000 reasons to do something else and not go. It's the same part of our brain. Really powerful part. But once you kind of know who's in the driver's seat naturally and who can be in the driver's seat naturally, or who we can choose to put in the driver's seat, we can actually make some great progress. So set an action for something you're going to do this week, and then put it in your diary, and then when the time comes, just do it, even if you don't feel like it, and see what happens. Have some fun with it and let me know how it goes. We'll see you next week.